Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's Ricky Cadan back again with another real life stock review. Hope you guys have had a sensational week. It is Friday, the end of the week. We will be wrapping up and it is the beginning of April. So a lot of exciting things to come. A big shout out to everyone all the new subscribers of Real Life Trading. Thank you for being a part of our community. And if you have not yet subscribed, hop on over to reallifetrading.com.au and take advantage of either the monthly, the yearly, or even the premium bundle, which you do get 3 bonus coaching sessions, which is a value of over $1,500 in value. So guys, get involved. It's a huge, amazing community to be a part of, and you do get access to the US Slack channel as well. So we will keep this baby growing. So today, guys, we will be looking at 6 stocks. The 6 stocks we will be looking at today is Shopify, Tesla, LK, Afterpay, FPH, and CBA. And then we'll have a quick look at the commodities and the Aussie dollar. But without further ado, guys, let's take a look at the overall markets. Now, the the SPY, guys, has started to retrace. We did get a small little resting candle just last night and a very nice gap down. This was a huge gap down, guys, very strong gap. However, it is on low volume. Not a lot of people are buying here. So just bear that in mind. I do think the markets will go lower. I have said this in the past. The E-minis is got somewhat of a double top, and we are doing somewhat of a cute little retest right now. I do think we will head lower. Just bear that in mind. Here's Shopify, and here is my analysis from just 2 days ago. Shopify, beautiful little consolidation here at the 50-day EMA. At the 10 EMA, a lot of people buying off this dip, thinking this is the time to start going long. If we get a gap down tomorrow, more importantly, below this particular level right here at 406, it is going to be bear city. So if you are a day trader and you are looking for an amazing opportunity, keep your eyes on Shopify, guys. We could very well fill this particular gap tomorrow. So keep that in mind. Wow. Well, did you see that? We did end up filling this particular gap on that day, and we continued lower. I mean, who could have picked that? We gapped straight below that particular low. Sensational analysis by your boy. So Shopify, right now, we are coming back down to a support. Just keep that in mind. Although if the market does continue to sell off, we will most likely head lower. We are getting some nice closes with volume below the 200 simple moving average, guys. So this will be a very long distribution phase. Just bear that in mind. Any position you take on Shopify will most likely be a long-term trade anywhere down at this level. Here's another one that you want to look out for tomorrow, guys. This is for all you day traders out there. Here's Tesla. Now, Tesla currently closed at 454.47. And if you just take a look at the 5-minute on the extended hours, we are gapping up to 535. 535, guys, that is right up here, which is above the 100. You've got 2 lots of bearish candles. You've got this bullish candle here. I mean, there is a lot of people trapped. A lot of bearishness happened yesterday. So this could be a very nice gap and go. Wait for a nice little consolidation, or just play a particular breakout on Tesla tomorrow, guys. This is going to be one to be watching at open. Here's Luckin Coffee, LK. Now, we had a huge gap down on Luckin Coffee just last night on some news that the COO did fudge the numbers on their last quarterly report. Here's the news right here. You can see they fudged their numbers by almost 2.2 billion yuan, or $310 million. So obviously the stock did gap down quite fiercely, although they most likely won't stay down here forever, guys. They are looking at this to be, the Chinese Starbucks, shall we call it. So Luckin Coffee will be around for a while. I just think that this is a very low level to be buying. I personally did buy some longer term call options for 2021. So I'm looking for LK to go higher. Let's take a look at the all odds. Now the all odds, I did mention on Tuesday that we would most likely get a bearish inside day candle, which we did get. We've got another bearish inside day candle, and we are most likely going to continue lower. So keep an eye out on the all odds and protect your assets on the Aussie stocks if you can. Here's Afterpay, guys. Afterpay on the shorter term moving averages came straight to the 20. We are currently squeezing between the 20 and the 10 EMA. Not a whole lot to see here, but most likely, guys, if we do break this trend, we will most likely break the 10 and then continue back down to the lows. It makes a lot of sense. We did get a retest gap, a couple of weeks ago. So Afterpay, look for a small rollover and then buy the dip. Here's Fisher & Paykel Healthcare, ticker symbol FPH, and this really has been on an absolute storm runner right now. You can see here we have got decreasing volume, so this particular level, guys, is where you want to be selling, selling your stock or at least taking profits. Makes a whole lot of sense up here to be selling. We have already moved up, just since October. We have moved almost 100%, 93%, guys. So it's a huge move in just under 7 months or so. So FPH, look to take your profits, guys, and look to buy on a dip. Where would you like to buy? Probably the 100 simple moving average makes the most sense since we have bounced off this level quite a few times before in the past. So just keep that in mind, guys. FPH is time to take some money off the table. CBA. Now I did mention CBA a while ago is most likely going to consolidate and then go back down. We are getting some very nice volatility on CBA. I hope you guys, with all your longer term shares, are selling premium. You can look to sell some cover calls and take advantage of this volatility. But CBA will go lower, guys. It's just a matter of time. Here's crude oil. Now, what's interesting about crude oil is we actually did get halted on crude last night on news when Trump did say that he was going to put a massive production cut. You can see the halt on CL, on the CL futures. I'll bring this into the 1 minute here for you guys so you can see. Very interesting. It's the first time I've ever seen a halt on the futures market. Where was it? It was back here. There it is, right there, guys. So you can see here, we on this particular candle here, we halted at 12:35, and then we did not open until 12:37, and we did get another halt. We did get 2 halts actually. Can't remember the exact time, but there was a second halt around this particular area when it was just super volatile. Crude oil does only halt for 2 minutes, but it was very, very volatile. I did get to snag some gains on crude. But on the daily, guys, if you are looking at playing crude, I mean, most likely, guys, this could potentially be the bottom. We'll have to just wait and see. That is a very strong candle. Whether or not it's fake news, so to speak, from Trump, we'll have to wait and see. But if we do break this lows, guys, I mean, we are definitely coming down probably to $16 or even $12. That would be, I mean, I've never seen it that low. It's incredible. Crazy times we live in. Here's gold. Now, we did come back down to this support level. I did mention on the last review that this is a nice time to consolidate and then bounce. We did get a very nice bounce. We'll probably consolidate a little bit lower and then let this 10 simple moving average on the daily chart catch up. And here's the Aussie dollar, last but not least. So we have a very nice high wave candle just from yesterday. The volume is slowing down. So not a whole lot of bullishness at the moment. This was all pumped up by the Fed, guys, so just keep that in mind. That was only a short-term play. However, most likely, if we do come up and create a lower high, we'll probably most likely come back down to these lows. Anyway, guys, that's enough from me. I'll be back next week on Wednesday to talk about what happened on the Tuesday session in the States, and of course, what is going on in the overall markets in Australia. I'll be back next week, guys. If you would like me to review any stocks, commodities, futures, you name it, leave it in the comment section below. Or better yet, join our Facebook group. I'll leave a link in the description below, and you can hit us up on there, or join our Slack channel at our real life trading floor. Either or, I'd love to hear from you guys. Love to hear your thoughts about the markets. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Have a great weekend. Bye.